Okay, so today we have a drone video of the Protocol Slipstream S. And this is probably the first time flying it out during the middle of the day. And there's the Taurus wagon. And the Hyundai. So, here we go. Slight breeze outside. It's approximately 30-something degrees. And the wind is definitely trying to blow it. God, it really is. It is fighting the wind. It don't seem like there's much wind coming this way, but there kind of is. Oh. Alright. We're gonna see just how high this goes exactly. Because I have no idea. Alright, here we go. Holy shit. Come back this way. Come back this way. Holy shit, man. Come back this way. No, come back. Shit. Oh, shit. Oh, shit. Ah, oh, fuck, dude. No. Oh my god, I just lost the drone. It's... Yep. Yep. Just lost it. God damn it, man. Great. Fuck, man. Dude. I hear it. Where is it? Alright, I see it. It's right there. so we're going to try to fly down. It is. Oh my god, dude. That just gave me like the biggest rush of my fucking life. Finding this thing. I literally thought I lost it. Was not expecting that to happen. This is why we can't have nice things. This is why we can't have nice things at all. Because when you... Holy shit, dude. That thing went far as fuck, man. Whew. Oh, that was... I have no idea how I found that. Literally just by making it lifeless, it just fell. So, with that being said, take this to a park because this has way more height than I thought it did.